Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is a poppy themed journal, and I've used a kit from ARTYMaze, and that will be linked below. So I actually printed out one of the pages onto cardstock so that I could use it as the cover, and this obviously that is it, and then it's been sewn onto some coffee dyed cardstock. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. It's traveller's notebook size. There are 84 pages front and back, and this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So let's get this opened. So I've used some eyelets and some red organza ribbon as a closure, and I'm just checking them in frame because I'm at a new camera angle. Yes. So like I said, it's I can't talk now. It's coffee dyed cardstock. I think it's because I'm trying to talk too quick. Coffee dyed cardstock on the inside, and the pages, it isn't an actual traveller's notebook size journal, but I've just cut it to be that size. So that's one of the pages. Here we have one of the pockets from the kit. Then I've just got some little tags in there. There's an envelope from the kit, and and it has a journal card inside there. Does that match that? It does. And we have another tag and a big tag. I'm not sure if with this new camera angle, whether it's causing any shadows or not. Let's see if I can get that in. I kind of prefer it like this because I haven't got the tripod right in front of me. So there's plenty of journal pages. The papers are tea and coffee dyed, so there's a mixture of both. Got a paper bag here. This is what ARTYMaze gave me. I didn't have any red ones. This is from the old design shop. This is from ARTYMaze's kit. The kit is actually called Radiant Poppy. So we just have here a journal card which I've backed onto some cardstock, and then this is just some paper from the old design shop which you can journal on or do whatever you like to. Another lovely page from the kit. Here I've just made the bits that I cut off, obviously to bring it down to traveller's notebook size. I used some of them and made pockets. So this is a journal card. I'll just back that onto an index card and inked up around the edge. We have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and that's also linked below. Some printable ledger paper, some more from ARTYMaze. Here we have a tag from the kit that's just been backed onto some cardstock, and then I've just got one of these trifolds, just been stamped and corner punched. Another page from the kit, and I printed one of the pages out and used that to make a pocket. Sorry, I was just taking a drink of tea then, because the heating's on in here because it's so cold. It really dries the air, so I've got to keep drinking tea. This is an idea from Climmy. I'm not sure, I think someone asked me that they couldn't find this on Climmy's channel. Now it might have been within a video, so I'm really sorry, but I don't know which one it is. So some more ephemera there to write on, but I'm sure it was her showing how to make pockets and tuck spots and things like that. Everybody's got so many videos now, so it's really hard to go back and find certain videos. So lots of journal space, centre of the signature, paper bag and a doily. Another one, I've got this dainty trim on there. Here we just have another one of these from Climmy. They're so easy to make. It's just basically a piece of paper folded in half, you put the tab on, you only glue like this front bit, you don't glue the back bit with the tab, because obviously you need that to be a tuck. You would fold that up, you may have to trim it off, excuse me, and then just trim the size to whatever you want. It is rather easy. Tag, some ephemera, oh, I didn't know whether I was going to sneeze then or cough. I have the weirdest sinus system. Sometimes I feel like I'm going to sneeze and I can't sneeze, I cough instead. Tag from the kit, a trifold, and that's just paper clipped on. Another pocket, another journal card on, excuse me, I knew I was going to sneeze, on an index card. I do apologise about all my sneezing and coughing, but I guess you're probably used to it now because I'm always doing it. Another journal card that I made. Well, I didn't make it, I just put it onto some cardstock, but it's from the kit. Another piece of ephemera from the old design shop, and that just paper clips on. The other side of the paper bag, another doily, another pocket here which is from the kit, another little tag there. This is just a fold out like that. Sorry. Another tag that I made, big jumbo tag, and that is the back. So that's the journal. Like I said, it's 84 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop. I'm going to be possibly over the weekend or towards the end of the weekend, I'm going to start, I'm going to be hosting a swap on the Junk Journal Junkies group, and it's for beginners. So if you're a beginner, watch out for it. This might be something that you're interested in, because there's a lot of people that are wanting to take part but haven't made journals and a little bit worried about, you know, making their first journal. So I'm going to do one, and I'm going to do it step by step, so that it's easy to follow if you want to follow along. I will do a playlist for it as well. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing that as well, just keeping it nice and easy, basic, so that you can, you know, just follow along, like I said. Or if you want to, if you are on the Junk Journal Junkies group, then you can take part in the swap that I'm going to be hosting. So yeah, watch out for that. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.